Someone actually ran this test. Multiple HVAC companies, one real inquiry, and the results should worry every service business owner watching this. In January 2026, a project manager at a marketing agency called Envision Up ran a real-world test. She submitted a standard AC install inquiry to multiple HVAC companies in the Toronto market, exactly the way a real homeowner would. No tricks, no setup. Just a normal request, sent the normal way. Here's what happened. Several companies never responded at all. Not slow, not eventually, never. The companies that did respond still took at least a day to reply. But one company did something completely different. 13 touch points over 10 days. Emails, calls, voicemails, and texts, including evenings and weekends until they got a response. Here's why that matters. A $10,000 plus AC install makes every one of those 13 touch points worth it. The companies that never responded didn't lose that job. They donated it to the one competitor still willing to follow up. And this isn't an isolated case. The data backs up exactly what happened in that test. The first contractor to respond wins the job over 75% of the time. Calling back within 5 minutes makes you 100 times more likely to make contact than waiting 30. And most contractors miss nearly a quarter of all incoming calls, more during peak season. So why does this keep happening? It's not that business owners don't care, it's that they don't have a system. One person juggling calls, jobs, and texts can't send 13 touch points over 10 days to every single lead. Not consistently, not at scale. A system can do exactly what that top-performing company did, every time, automatically, without anyone having to remember to follow up. At WebBotIQ, we build AI booking and follow-up systems that respond instantly and keep following up. Deployed in 24 to 72 hours. The link is in the description if you want to see what that looks like for your business.